Alright, hello everybody. Today is November 10th, 2016. It's a little afternoon and just a quick little tour of the shop here. Thank you for putting your glasses on. Well, Mike Berger students are tapping holes in their required project. Debugging code. I like it. Over here we have Jeff being very detailed on his part. I believe he's actually trying to dial in his chamfer right now. Hard working on the Osmania mill. There you can see Mike's working with a student back there. Squaring up material for the lathe project. Turning it. See what we got going on over here. Got a beehive of activity. Got guys on mills, guys on lathes. Matt's doing a demonstration on grinding lathe blanks.
Okay, right there.